Hello guys, so welcome back to class. Today is the day 20 of our Excel work hour. Today's class we want to learn how to combine names. Exactly, yes, we want to learn how to combine names using another function, another powerful function in Microsoft Excel called text function. Before we go, once again, if in case you are just joining us, welcome to our day 20 of Excel work hour. My name is Kobe Seji. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a data analysis instructor. I train people on how to use Microsoft data analysis tool. So, in case you might be interested in learning data analysis, you can always reach out to me via my WhatsApp link that's in the description below. Alright, without wasting much of our time, which function are we talking about today? Today we are going to be talking about a function called TEXTJOIN. Yes, TEXTJOIN. How does TEXTJOIN work? TEXTJOIN is out. It permits us to what? To insert. Okay, how will I actually okay. The first thing is that it permits us to what? To swipe over what any what names we want to insert in as much as we would have supplied the delimiter we want first. Yes. Now what I want to do is that I'm going to join both first name and last name and department together. Exactly. Yes, that's what I want to do. So just say equals to text join. You can see it. Text join. So now the first thing it's going to be asking me is what do I want to use to what to separate each of what my columns. I think I've explained to you what the limiter means, right? Now so I want what let me say I want space. So yes, let me space. My space should be here. Then I don't say comma. Ignore empty cell. Yes, I don't even have empty cell. Yes, ignore empty cell. Then it's asking me for the text. I will just swap like this. Close my bracket and say enter. Consider what I now have what my information exactly. So let me go over it again. Equals to text join. What is my delimiter? Space comma ignore empty cell comma. I can just swipe like this. Close the bracket and say enter. Then I come here and use my autofill. You can see it. Yes. So this is how to use it. Text join in Microsoft Excel. Exactly. So thanks for watching. In case you have any question, you are free to message me via my WhatsApp link. And in case you are interested in starting a career in data analysis, so you can also message me on that for guidelines. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day. We meet in class tomorrow. And please don't forget to have an assignment. So just click on the link below. The assignment, you're going to find the assignment there. Then the instructions will also be there. Exactly. The assignment instruction will also be there. So thanks for watching. We meet in our next class. Bye.